Here's a question for you. If you had $100 today, would you know where to invest it to make the most of your money? For many Americans, this is a tough question, and that's okay. The world of investing can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. But here's the good news. With the right guidance, you can turn that $100 into a stepping stone for lifelong financial growth. This guide will show you how to confidently start your journey with stocks, bonds, and ETFs, using simple, time-tested strategies. Why investing matters. The cost of living is rising, and relying on savings alone won't cut it. Inflation eats away at the value of your money every year. Investing is your best tool to grow wealth, beat inflation, and achieve financial freedom. The earlier you start, the better. Even small amounts invested regularly can compound into life-changing sums over time. Let's explore the key investment options for beginners. 1. Stocks. The engine of wealth creation. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When the company does well, so does your investment. Historically, the stock market has delivered an average annual return of 7–10% after inflation. Beginner tips for stock investing. Start with index funds. They offer instant diversification by tracking entire markets like the S&P 500. Vanguard's VFIAX or ETFs like SPY are popular choices. Avoid stock picking. Leave the guesswork to professionals. Focus on diversified funds instead. Think long-term. Hold your investments for at least 5–10 years to ride out market fluctuations. 2. Bonds. Stability in your portfolio. Bonds are loans you make to governments or companies. In return, you get regular interest payments and your principal back at maturity. They're less risky than stocks, making them great for stability. Key types of bonds for beginners. Treasury bonds. Low-risk investments backed by the U.S. government. Corporate bonds. Offer higher returns but come with more risk. Municipal bonds. Attractive for their tax-free income potential. Pro tip. Bond ETFs like AGG or BND let you diversify your bond investments with one simple purchase. 3. ETFs. The beginner's best friend. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are like pre-packed portfolios of stocks or bonds. They combine the benefits of diversification with the ease of trading stocks. Why ETFs work for beginners? Low fees. Most ETFs, like VU or QQQ, have very low expense ratios compared to mutual funds. Broad exposure. With a single ETF, you can invest in hundreds of companies or bonds. Flexibility. ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the trading day, just like stocks. How to get started with $100? Choose a platform. Robinhood, Fidelity, and Vanguard are beginner-friendly options. Pick an investment. Start with a low-cost index fund or ETF like SPY or VTI. Automate contributions. Set up automatic monthly deposits to keep investing consistent and stress-free. Educate yourself. Podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show and books like The Simple Path to Wealth are invaluable resources. Common mistakes to avoid overtrading. Constant buying and selling racks up fees and taxes. Ignoring diversification. Never put all your money in one stock or asset type. Chasing trends. Don't buy into a stock or crypto because it's hyped. Focus on fundamentals. Skipping emergency savings. Always have 3–6 months of expenses saved in cash before you start investing. Here's the answer to our initial question. The best way to invest $100 today is to start small, stay consistent, and focus on low-cost diversified options. Time is your greatest ally in investing. By starting now, you're setting yourself up for a more secure and prosperous future. Your next steps. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly investment tips. Share this with a friend who needs a financial boost. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today.